Okay, we want to graph a rational function, not just the asymptotes, and I have a constant over a linear. The first thing I need to do is determine the horizontal and vertical asymptotes. So in this case, the vertical is x equals 3, and the horizontal is y equals 0 because the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator. Now I have to plot 2 points on each piece of the graph. So choose some values on either side of your horizontal asymptote. I'm going to let x equal 0. Then f of x is equal to 6 over negative 3, which is negative 2. 0 is usually pretty easy to evaluate in a rational function because it's just the constant term over the constant term. So 0, negative 2. Plot that point. I'm going to let x equal 1. Then f of x is equal to 6 over negative 4. No. I'm like, that's not what I wanted to happen. 6 over negative 2. And that is equal to negative 3. So 1, negative 3. And then I need to pick some points out here. If x is equal to 4, then f of x is equal to 6 over 1, which is 6. And if x is equal to 5, then f of x is equal to 6 over 2, which is 3. And then when you click on the button to fill in the graph, it will just, no, it won't do that because we'll do it correctly. It will just fill in the 2 parts of the curve. If you click on the curvy part and you end up with something that looks like this, then you plotted your points incorrectly. If your points are in the correct place, then when you click on the curve, it will just automatically fill in the rest of the graph. Note that this is the rational function. Right? It has been shifted 3 to the right. And then it has been stretched vertically by a factor of 6.